Hi everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to be giving you a room tour here of our room at the Desert Palms. The Desert Palms Hotel is rated number 43 out of 130 hotels on TripAdvisor at the time of filming. It is 7/10 of a mile or about a 13-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. We booked a deluxe studio, so there's 2 queen beds and then there's a sunken living room, and the sofa bed is a queen size. There are 2 outlets right here in between both beds. They're both just a regular outlet, and as you can see we have our charging blocks in there. There are no USBs. This room has a really great size mini fridge, a microwave, coffee pot, and ice bucket. All the surfaces in this room have a quartz countertop. Here there's some open shelving, the in-room safe, and 2 nice big drawers for storage. There are 2 luggage racks on either side of the dresser, and both of those also have a quartz top. The living area in this room is down 2 stairs, and that's where the window is for this room. But they do include this privacy curtain, and we pulled it shut last night and it worked great as a blackout curtain as well. In the living room, they've also included a dining table that seats 4. It also has a quartz top, and as well as this lamp has 2 outlets in it and also 2 outlets here on the wall. So plenty of outlets for all your charging needs. The living area also has a wonderful storage area and a dresser. Tons of storage with these 2 drawers plus the open shelving, and another TV in this room as well. Here's the sofa sleeper all pulled out. Mattress feels like it is a memory foam to us. Our son slept on it last night and he said it was fairly comfortable. I don't know if an adult would be comfortable on this long term, maybe a night or 2 at max. So far this seems like the most comfortable mattress in a sofa sleeper that we have come across in the Anaheim area. We love how spacious this room is. The addition of the living room, we can all sit in here comfortably on the couch and the chair and watch TV if we wanted to, and we can also all eat at the dining table. The entrance to this room, you walk right into tile. There's a great place here with hooks to hang up jackets, purses. I even have my toiletry bag here hanging. And then right here is a big closet with lots of hangers, an iron and ironing board. Tons of space on the floor for luggage as well. This bathroom area is very modern, very spacious. The lighting of the mirror, the quartz countertop, the nice big counter for all of our stuff. There's a towel rack in the front for hand towels. And then there's also a towel rack over the toilet that had 6 towels and 4 towel hooks to hang your towels when you're done with the shower. The shower here is a tub shower combination. We liked how hot the water got here, but we both felt like the water didn't have a lot of pressure. For me, it took quite a while to rinse the shampoo out of my hair, but the water was a very nice hot temperature. There's not a lot of hotel style rooms available in Anaheim within walking distance of the park. We timed it this morning and it's about 11-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland, which isn't all that bad. Plus they include a hot breakfast here, and we'll have more of that in our experience video coming out soon. If you're looking for a similar hotel, please click the link here. Thank you so much for watching.